Picture this. You nail your hola, you feel great, and then the other person smiles and asks, ¿Cómo estás? And suddenly your mind goes blank. If that fear sounds familiar, this video fixes it forever. By the end, you'll answer, "How are you?" in Spanish smoothly, and even ask it right back. But before we dive in, welcome to the Spanish Project, the channel where complete beginners learn to speak real, natural Spanish with confidence. If you are new here, you are in exactly the right place, so let us jump in. First, the question. ¿Cómo estás means how are you? It sounds like ¿Cómo estás? Say it with me. That accent on the A tells you to push the last syllable. Estás. Try again. Now the part that saves you, the answers. The classic reply is estoy bien, I'm good. Say it. You can shorten it to just bien, but estoy bien sounds fuller and more confident. Repeat. Even better, muy bien, I'm very good. If you're just okay, say más o menos, literally more or less, are so-so. Say it. And if you're tired, say estoy cansado if you're male or estoy cansada if you're female. Repeat the one that fits you. That last point matters. In Spanish, some describing words change depending on whether the speaker is male or female. A man says cansado ending in O, a woman says cansada ending in A. That ending tells you a lot. Now the move that instantly sounds natural. Ask it back. After you answer, add y tú and you, or more politely, usted, formal. So the full exchange is, they ask, ¿Cómo estás? You say, estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Let's rehearse. I'll ask, ¿Cómo estás? And you answer. Here's a bonus locals love. A common friendly reply is todo bien, gracias. All good, thanks. Say it. Let's run a real exchange. You meet a coworker. They say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? You say, Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? They say, Bien, bien, smooth. One quick warning. Don't confuse ¿Cómo estás? With ¿Cómo eres? They sound similar, but ¿Cómo eres? Asks what you are like, your personality, not how you feel today. For greetings, you want ¿Cómo estás? Say it one more time. Recap. The question is ¿Cómo estás? Your answers can be estoy bien, muy bien, más o menos, or todo bien, gracias. And you sound better when you bounce it back with ¿y tú? Or ¿y usted? Your challenge. Answer out loud right now as if I just asked. ¿Cómo estás? Say your real answer in Spanish, then comment it below so I can cheer you on. Subscribe because tomorrow we keep building your confidence. Cuídate, which means take care. Say it with me.